So today, let us continue what we discussed on New Testament teachings about work. God continues his work of creation. Even today, God continues with his work of creation. And Jesus' work was to save what? Mankind. So he died on the cross in order to save mankind. That was his work. And Jesus' work provides happiness, peace to the suffering. Even Jesus dying on the cross also brought peace, because he said that he died on the cross so that people can be what? Redeemed from suffering. Also in the New Testament, we read last Friday when I was here that Jesus worked faithfully as a carpenter alongside his Father. And Christians are urged that they must work extremely well in order to glorify God. So you don't work as a Christian, you work extremely well in order to glorify God. And in the New Testament, we are also told, if you don't work, you should not do what? Eat. And we are reminded there if you remember in the New Testament when you read, is that Paul was a tent maker. Therefore, he was a good role model to all Christians because he also worked. And if you do not work, you should not steal. So make sure any work that you do is able to earn an honest living. We are not saying, in the New Testament, we are not saying just work. Make sure whatever you're doing you are able to earn an honest living. You cannot be a prostitute. Oh, men became jingalos. Is it called jingalo? Yes, that one. You're not supposed to do that one income because that is not honest living. Or as I was telling you on Friday, you cannot be selling what? Liquor. Or you're selling any drug that is not good for human consumption and you call that work. That is not work. Make sure the work that you're doing earns you a honest living. Another work that you're not supposed to do, which one? Except stealing. Because there are jobs that you should not do. Sorry? You don't want to talk. A killer. You become a hitman. Yes, you should not. That is killing. Hey! You should not just do any work to earn income. It should be honest.